Why is your house burning down?
Because teacher waiting for you until my house got burned down.
And you did not run away for your life?
No, your class is more important. My life is secondary. Your lesson is my priority. I still have my coffee there I haven't drink. Can you see there's a coffee there on the table? Yeah, I haven't drink that coffee yet. So you need to finish my lessons. Once I finish the coffee, then only I go out. Carbon dioxide is acidic. That's why it's not good. Next, I want to hear this actually. Another toxic gas called sulfur dioxide. When teacher was working as an engineer, so what will happen when the air is acidic? You know what's the property of acidic, right? It corrodes. All these gases will corrode the roof. Ended up the roof is having leakage of the rain during rain time. So remember, if acid can react with the roof made of metal, that means it will eat your body also, you know. You get the idea?
Yeah.
You as a human is made from flesh.
Yes.
Roof is made from zinc and plumbum. They can even makan the roof. Then you also kena makan when you're exposed to gases. So that's why I left. When you work as an engineer, your life is at stake. Do you want to be at stake all the time? Can you live and sleep every day? I cannot, because it was too dangerous. See, now I teach online, right? Even though my background on fire, I'm still okay. See, it's very safe. Okay, story a little bit. Hey, if you really like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.